So before recording the video for today, I was thinking what will I speak today. So I'm not, I didn't get any point. So I will be speaking what I have learned for the English practice today. So in the afternoon, I was researching about is there any methods which I can apply in order to structure my thought in a way so that I can convey it properly. So there I learned about two things. The first one was that whenever you are speaking something, you have to make sure your body language speaks rather than your mouth. Will speak, but body language is the main factor that will make the difference. So uh, make hand gestures and eye contact, or if you are talking to if you find something that you don't know about, then you have to make sure that you relate to that point with the things that is something related to that, not exactly the thing but something related to that, and then move on the conversation from there. Also, the second point which I learned is that whenever you are speaking or trying to align your thought, try to adopt this prep method that says first P is point, R is reason, the third one is E, explanation, and the third is again point. So firstly, if you are explaining something, explain the point, put your point forward, then uh, give the reason why you chosen this point, and then give some example around that, and then again justify the point which you have just explained or you have put forward, and then repeat this process if you are trying to communicate easily. And this was the learning. So from now on I will be trying to inculcate this practice of how to apply this prep method whenever I will be talking. So there will be a more hand gesture movements or something like that. And the words which I learned today would be, I have noted it down here. So the words which I have learned today was the cumbersome, and the second one is prism. क्या था? What was it? It was presumptuous. Presumptuous. The second word was presumptuous. We all know this first word, which was the cumbersome. It means hard to handle or manage something. So I say that sometimes it is cumbersome for me to handle all this, my studies along with this video recording. Then I also prepare for the data structures and algorithm, currently reading graph, as you all know. So sometimes it is cumbersome to manage all these tasks along with college. So this was one use case. And the second word was presumptuous. It means something related to when I'm too confident of something and I forgot that I have to respect that also. So it says that when I'm too confident in a way that shows a lack of respect to others. So in such cases, I talk of presumptuous. Was a kind of, how will you pronounce that? Presumptuous. Presumptuous. Tell me, how will you pronounce it? Presumptuous, 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 or cumbersome. So these are the words that I learned today. And apart from that, I got to know, or I got to know that I got to know new methods and some algorithms in graphs that I'm learning. So as you know how graphs are like everywhere, but I'm learning this in theory, so I have to solve problems on that. And in that series, I've solved like one problem in which this problem, let me tell you, this is a very interesting problem to solve. So the problem says that you have been given a graph, and in that graph there is a node and edges. So if I am standing on a particular node, then the adjacent node, this node and this node which is adjacent to me, or whatever the nodes which are adjacent to me, that should not have colors, same colors. If I am red, then my adjacent node should be in other color apart from red. So this was the problem statement, and it's called bipartite graph. If you have not solved it, you should try it, and it was a very good problem to solve, and you will learn a lot from that problem also. And one more point that I like to add is that I'm not able to think that what are the things that I will be speaking in the next video. So I want you all to come forward and give me some topics so that I can speak on that in the next video. And that's it from my side for today, I think. So bye bye.